Hey guys, welcome to another video with Mrs. Fisher. Today I'm going to show you how to complete and access the new revised extra credit for science going into the 2020-2021 school year. The first thing you would do in your internet browser is go to classroom.google.com. And once you're there, you should log into the account that's for you. I'm going to log in as a sample student today. So I've logged in, I've plugged in my password, and now I see all of the different classes I've been invited to or that I'm currently a part of. I'm going to join this class because I wasn't part of it before. And this is not going to be the class you'll see. Yours will say 4th grade summer assignments or 5th grade summer assignments. Just like you see here, a 6th grade class over to the side. So I'm going to join the class that I need to be in. And once you're in your class, the 4th grade summer homework or 5th grade summer homework, you're going to go to classwork. 4th grade will be in the 4th grade section and 5th grade will be in the 5th grade class. You won't need to do both. Once you open it up, you're going to click on the link and it will bring you to a website called Teachers Pay Teachers. And you are going to click Sign In with Google. And that will then allow you to sign in with your St. John's account. Use the exact same account you used for Google Classroom. And you need to plug in your name. So here I'm going to do Sample 521. And click Enter. Now, this then opens up the assignment that you need to work on. This is the 4th grade one, and 5th grade is very similar, and I'll show that in a second. It is a document that I've made myself to do 6-way vocab. Up at the top here, you see arrows to go back and forth between the pages, and we see some tools to the side. This is another instruction page that you can read later. And here's an example of the 6-way vocab filled out. Now, if you're in 5th grade or going into 5th grade, you know how to do 6-way vocab because we did it in school. But our new 4th graders don't know how to do this yet. Basically, I give you a vocabulary word. For example, atom. And for this word, I need a sentence, examples of what it is or is not, the definition from the book, and a picture. I will be posting the student reader as well, so you can pull the definition straight from the textbook. So an atom it's an example of all matter on Earth. An example of that could be hydrogen or oxygen. So I give a couple of examples in the it is category. I then went into my student reader and found the sentence where atom is found. Examples of what it's not, well, technically it's pizza because pizza is made out of atoms, and technically it's ice cream. But when I think of the word atom, I don't think of pizza. I think of the smallest pieces of matter. So that's why I wrote pizza and ice cream. And then I wrote the definition from the back of the book. It's the smallest piece of matter that has the properties of an element. It's a combination of 3 subatomic particles, or smaller pieces, protons, neutrons, and electrons. And you up-and-coming 4th graders, you made a 3D model of an atom in 3rd grade with Miss Mello and Miss Delacqua. So you know a little bit about atoms. Then I was able to find a picture from the internet and put it in here. But because of this way we're going to do it, it's going to be a little different. So I have these blue boxes to type in. And you see as I move my mouse, they hover green. I can click in there and type anything I want. Now, obviously, an atom is not hello. An atom is all matter. It's not Mrs. Fisher. Technically, I'm made up of matter, but you get the idea. I can make up a sentence. The atom of hydrogen was cool to look at. Then I go down and I can fill in the definition. And you see that there's this huge blank space for picture. That's where these other tools come in, pen and highlight. If I go to the pen, I can change it from a thin pen, a medium thickness, or super big thickness. And I can use the delete button to delete things, almost like an eraser, right? And then I can change the color. I'm limited in the colors I have, but it's okay. So I'm going to attempt to draw an atom. There's the center, my nucleus, which really has protons and neutrons. And then around it, I would have my electrons, which are going to be my assigns. It's just an example. I don't expect you to have perfect, fantastic looking pictures. And then there's also a highlight button that if you want to try to highlight, you can. But I don't want that. And you'll do this for each word in Unit 1 so that we're ready to go for school in September. So we have cause and effect, we have energy, we have all sorts of words. Speed, friction, force, weight, and work. When you're done, you would click Turn In, and then it would allow you to say yes, turn in, and it might bring you back to Google Classroom to confirm that you're ready to turn in this assignment. I'm going to show the 5th grade one. 5th grade, you open it up, enter, make sure you've put your name in. It's already recognized me as sample 521, so I didn't have to put my name in again. And it's the same thing. I have Unit 1 vocabulary for my 5th grade student reader, which some of the words are similar. Atom, energy, cause and effect, experiment. So this is going to be the extra credit. Because it is a much longer assignment than what you might have done before, it will just be the one completed document, all 20 or 21 pages. Now remember, the first couple pages you don't do anything on, so it's not as many. But all of those pages completed will get you your 20 points extra credit, just like you would have earned 10 for 4th grade activities and 10 for 5th grade, or 10 for 3rd and 10 for 4th. You'll earn your 20 points for completing this one assignment. And that's the new extra credit. I will make another video showing the exact Google Classroom page for both 4th and 5th grade, but this is a nice little tutorial for you. If you have questions, you know you can always reach out to me and ask me for help. I'm here to help you. Okay? Enjoy the rest of your summer, and I will see you soon. Bye.